Okay, so to do the Northern Lights, you take your white first and you sketch out your white. Now I'm doing this on paper, so it's not going to work as well. But make sure you have enough white so when you pull it, it'll pull that white into the color. Then take a brush that has very dry, stiff bristles like this. You don't want a soft paintbrush. This one works too. But I kind of prefer this style, just personal preference. Now you get your chocolate chip sized amount of paint. So that much paint is all you need. If you get more, you're getting too much. Tap just a tiny bit of paint on there. So a teeny tiny bit of paint. There's not a lot on there. And then you mix it with the white. Can you see what I'm doing in the video? Yes, okay. So a quick little flick. A quick flick along that white at the bottom will bring that color up. And if you hold your hand farther back, it'll loosen up your grip on the brush versus painting like this. You want to kind of keep your hand back farther so you have a lighter touch. Now, if you find you get too much color or you lose the white or you don't like how it came out, you can always go back over it and put some more white on there. Clean up the edge if you want to, and then blend it back in. You also don't want to make the streaks all the exact same height. You want to have some a little taller, some a little shorter, so it doesn't look too perfect and the exact same size. Because things in nature aren't all the exact same size.